Keto Desserts. Keto Desserts is the one cookbook everyone needs to have in their collection. It's a digital cookbook infused with dessert recipes that are keto-friendly and that have eliminated the unhealthy, traditional ingredients. Yes, that includes many things, but what will surprise you is that the healthier alternatives provided are just as delicious, if not more so than the traditional versions. And since the average American teenager consumes 59 pounds of fructose each year, and because we've all been teenagers before, it's time to cleanse your body of the bad stuff without sacrificing your desire for desserts. Keto Desserts makes eating delicious desserts better for you. It eliminates the harmful ingredients, leaving you with authentic taste and textures that make you look and feel as good as they taste. And if you don't think healthy can taste good, you have the 60-day money-back guarantee to test out your theory. So, why not try to spruce up your dessert recipes with a sprinkle of health?
To read full review, click link in the description.